Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Suhani, your virtual makeup artist. And today the video is all about the beginner's eye makeup look. I will be teaching you the 3 different eye makeup looks, moving from casual to smoky to glam eye makeup look. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into the video. Now you can see that I am done with my face makeup and now I will move on to the eye makeup. First of all, you need to know what are the basic brushes that you need to own as a beginner. So the first brush is a blending brush. As you can see, this is a fluffy brush. It will help to blend the eyeshadow. Then the second brush is the eyeshadow application brush, which is the flat brush. इसके ब्रिसल्स इतने ज़्यादा मूव नहीं हो रहे हैं, ठीक है. इट इज़ अ फ्लैट ब्रश. ये आपको ईजिली हेल्प करेगा आपके आई शेडो को ऐसे पैट करने में और प्रोडक्ट को प्लेस करने में. द थर्ड ब्रश इज अ स्मॉल काइंड ऑफ पेंसिल ब्रश, यू कैन से. सो इससे आपके मल्टीपर्पज़ काम होने वाले हैं. सी, बहुत छोटे से ब्रिसल्स है इसके और थोड़ा सा हार्ड है. लाइक इट विल नॉट, द ब्रिसल्स आर नॉट मूविंग ईजिली. एंड आपकी आईज के जो छोटे छोटे कॉर्नर वाले एरिया है उसके आपको ईजिली आप उस पर अप्लाई कर सकते हो प्रोडक्ट. देन आप अपने लोअर लैश लाइन को स्मज कर सकते हो, वहाँ पे आई शेडो लगाने में इससे ईजी होगा. एंड देन द थर्ड पर्पज़ फॉर विच यू कैन यूज इज फॉर फिलिंग योर आईब्राउज. इट विल बी ईजी विद दिस पेंसिल ब्रश. एज अ बिगिनर मैं आपको 3 आई मेकअप लुक सिखाने वाली हूँ, जिसमें हम एक ही लुक को अपग्रेड करेंगे फ्रॉम अ कैजुअल डे लुक टू अ ग्लैम लुक. First things first, you need to clear your basics, and in that I would like to tell you that जो हमारा आई का ये पोर्शन होता है, जब हम आई क्लोज करते हैं, सो दिस पोर्शन इज द आई लिड, एंड व्हेन वी ओपन द आई, यहाँ एक लाइन फॉर्म होती है, एंड दैट लाइन इज कॉल्ड एज अ क्रीज. दिस लाइन exactly. These are the 2 terms that I will keep on using, so it will be easy for you to understand. Let's begin with the first look. In the first look, you need to take any eyeshadow in brown tones. These are known as the transition shades, and you just have to apply on the eyelid area and the crease as well. I'm going to use this palette from Huda Beauty, Rose Gold Remastered palette. Now I am going to use this shade Henna from this palette. तो आपको कैसे अप्लाई करना है ये? I'll take the product in this blending brush. Dust off the excess so that there is no fallout and start applying on the lid area. See, this much is enough, and then I'll just blend this with the same brush. As you can see how I am blending on the crease, this is a windshield motion. You just have to move back and forth. Just keep blending it. Now आपको क्रीज से थोड़ा सा ऊपर जाना है, ज़्यादा ऊपर नहीं जाना, एंड द प्रोडक्ट शुड बी टोटली ब्लेंडेड विद द हाइलाइटर विच विल बी अप्लाइड ऑन द brow bone. Now I am going to use this pencil brush and taking the same color henna from this palette and dusting off the excess, and will start applying on the lower lash line. See, it is very important to apply it on the lower lash line since हमने कंसील किया हुआ है तो आईज एकदम ब्लैंक लगती हैं. सो इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट वी शुड स्मज इट हेयर. I have done the same thing on my left eye as well. You can complete this look using a mascara or an eyeliner as you prefer, and you're good to go. Now moving on to the second look, I will be doing a kind of a smoky eye, जिसमें हम eyelid area पे dark color लगाएंगे, and then हम उसी फैमिली में सेम शेड कलर यूज़ करके हम क्रीज पे लगाएंगे और उनको ब्लेंड कर देंगे. सो हेयर आई एम यूजिंग दिस कलर ब्लैक ट्रुफल and a flat eyeshadow brush, and will be patting this color on the eyelid area. See, in this way you have to pat the color. Now there is a line between this black color and the brown color. You need a blending brush, and then you have to blend these 2 colors together. You have to blend until a point where these two colors merge together. Repeating the same on the other eye as well. I am done with this smoky eye makeup look. Now it's your choice. आपको lower lash line blend करनी है या नहीं करनी है. I'm not going to do it for myself because my eyes are a bit small, so it won't look good. Moving on to the third makeup look, which is the glam eye makeup. इसमें हम क्या करेंगे, हमारा same smoky eye makeup हुआ है. I will take any shimmery shades from this palette and then apply on the inner portion of the lid area. I'll tell you how. For all the shimmery shades you need to use your fingers because only then the application is really fine. I'm going to use this shade Trust Fund. Take it on my finger and then just pat it on the lid. Now you can see I've just applied on the inner corner and the middle portion of the lid. See the difference? How it totally amp up the look from smoky to a glam look. See, in this way you have converted the smoky look to a glam eye makeup look. Now applying the falsies or mascara is totally your choice. So here is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video and got to learn something from it. And if you did, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video with your friends. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that every time I upload a video, you get the notification. Also, I upload most of my looks on my Instagram. Don't forget to follow me there. Till then, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.